It is a reliable and easy to use handheld labeling machine, perfect for everyone who needs it on the go. All the necessary paperwork is included in the box. The label maker is equipped with an LCD display, power, print and function buttons, a QWERTY keyboard, a label distributor, a cut-off lever, and a DC power input. There are batteries and cartridge slots under the back panel. It is powered by 6 AAA batteries, which are not included in the set. A sample 12mm black on white cartridge and DIC adapter are also in the box.